Good afternoon, Wednesday, June 24th. Fellow Texans, we are about to perform a water test. The insurance company has said that a spot in the garage is associated with a foundation issue versus maybe a flashing issue. So we're going to try to figure it out right now. It's pretty hot out here. Let me just show you what the insurance company is saying, where the water's coming from. Then we'll do a water test, and then I'll show you what the end result was. Right here, there's some separation in the brick, separation in the caulking on the window, and then we have some more separation in the brick right here, and it kind of goes down here and here. So we're trying to figure out if this is something to do with this flashing or something to do with this brick. All right, let's see what happens. Okay, first we're just getting the flashing by the nail heads. Do you see anything coming in? Whew, that hose tripped the tall roofer. What's that? Nothing yet. Okay, we're gonna move up to the windowsill. You see it's coming out that weak hole right there. I don't know, I don't think that, technically that shouldn't be a weep hole, but that's what I'm calling it. So we hit the flashings and you can tell the water's coming here, and I have it kind of going into this crack, and it's going through that crack and shooting out here. Okay, we noticed some leaking in the garage, and I'll show you what that looks like. But we're going to go ahead and hit this directly now. That was just this. Now I'm going to go directly into it, maybe a hard rain, and you can see. Is it coming out now? Okay, then it's actually this brick, this window. There's separation, and this is where the leak is coming in through the house. So it is not a flashing issue. It has to do with this. And like I said, we have separation with the brick, separation with the windowsill, and then this brick here is coming apart. And this directly in here is, this directly in here is going into the house, and I'll show you where that is. Water test is done. Did a follow-up inspection. This was originally called, this is a secondary, I'm a secondary roofer here, to see if I could help the homeowner out. But yeah, you can see it right here, and it goes all the way down. We found the leak. It's not the roof, it's not the builder, even though I was kind of skeptical when I saw the two-tone gutter color. But yeah. Water. Water, okay. So yes, not flashing, but definitely something we need to get the builder out here to look at. Hello, good day, fellow Texans. I have, being a critic of other people's work or your own it's not cool, but let me just show you something that happened on this roof that I noticed, and it's pretty obvious. Maybe you wouldn't notice it from the ground, but the whole point of having seamless gutters is so the water flows to the downspouts without, having spots where they might come out. Let me show you. You'll see it. It's pretty easy. Let me show you. You see this gutter here has a color to it. And this way, they're supposed to all be made from the same metal. But as you come around the corner here, we have a different metal. Most likely, that's an ABC metal, and then that's possibly a Synox metal. I know there's another one out there that might look like that. We have two, you can see right here, they cut and spliced it and put this gutter inside of this gutter to make it work, versus getting, I guess, the same coil and running it all the way down there. But there's a lot of caulking right there that eventually has a potential to crack. And then you'll have a lot of water coming out this section of gutters, which just, I don't know, just bad work. Most likely the homeowner would never know that. They probably wouldn't experience leaking for a while, but everything, it's going to happen. It's just poor workmanship. It happens. Once again, your contractor, the builder that probably built this house, probably thought, well, they'll never go up there and they'll never pay attention to it, and we'll make it look as best as we can. But it's not how you're supposed to install a gutter. Good day, fellow Texans and M&D roofing / tall roofing followers. I'd like to show you today what blah, 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 blah.